Hello and welcome. Now today I'm going to be trying some AUXITO taillight bulbs. These are basically replacing the 1157s. Code below as well as the link. So if you like them, check it out. Use the code and link down below. Now the reason for this is because I thought about it and, well, the old lights do okay and they do their job. But in today's day and age, people don't pay attention as much as they used to. And I'd like to make sure that they know I'm slowing down to turn or stopping so they don't come up and hit me from behind mainly. Because it's not so much for me to see, it's to make sure other people see. And that's kind of the goal. It's more safety rather than looks. And some people may just like the brighter look, but for me, it's more about safety. So what I'm going to do, we're going to try this out, see how they look. Alright, first I'm going to do a quick little daylight test. Just a regular style 1157 over here, and the LED over there. You got a little shadow from the sun right there, but I don't think it's going to be an issue. So, in there, we're going to try it out real quick. I can tell that one is brighter than that one. That one I can barely see. That one is pretty bright. Remember, the sun is behind me facing the truck. Yeah, there's a little shadow right there, so you would think it'd be a little bit brighter. But it's more noticeable, including on the turn signals. You can see all the way around and right here, which makes these really good because it's projecting the light straight out and reflecting at the same time. So it's a pretty good difference, especially in the daylight. I can see it better. Night or nighttime, much better too. These bulbs are great. I like them. I'm gonna run them. Now, most people use LEDs. It's because it's mostly headlights, so you can see better. In this case, it's more safety because you want the person behind you to know when you're stopping, slowing down, or going to turn. That way you can avoid something. Make sure they're paying attention. Don't give them an excuse that I couldn't see your dim lights. Something like that, you know. Don't want to give them that excuse. You spend time and money on your old school. You don't want it to take any damage. So this is more of a safety thing and it works. So Use the code below, link down below. Hope you enjoy it, and I hope you enjoyed this video. As always, thanks for watching.